Zepp because it gives me feedback on every shot instantly. Zepp's 3D analysis instantly shows you the most important metrics around your swing. Having this data as a golfer is priceless and will allow you to improve faster, track your performance, and maintain your swing day to day.
Zepp's instant evaluations are the fastest way to get detailed analysis on your swing. Take an instant eval and we'll break down your swing and recommend the right training program just for you.
Zepp's Smart Coach will help you work on the most important aspects of your swing, the things myself and other golf professionals always focus on.
Even measure your swing and its consistency with the course mode feature. If you have a Zepp 2 sensor, you'll improve faster and be able to track your progress from the range to the course.
Start training like the best players in the world and Zepp your swing.
Now you can get to know your swing like never before with GolfSense from Zepp Labs, the fun and easy way to analyze and improve your golf swing. Just attach the GolfSense motion sensor to any golf club and swing away. It wirelessly sends data to the GolfSense app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and lets you see your swing in 3D. GolfSense shows you how you can improve and helps you work on some of the most important aspects of your swing. It gives you personalized tips and recommendations, and it's the perfect gift for any golfer because everyone needs real-time feedback. Swing smarter and play better with GolfSense by Zepp Labs.
What drives you? Is it glory? Making birdies? Impressing your friends? In golf, you can't be perfect, but you can be better. You can swing better, drive better, chip better, putt better. With the power of data, every single one of us can play better. And getting better? That's perfect. What drives you? Arccos.
I think every golfer can improve with the SkyPro. One thing it allows you to do is monitor your practice. So you're not just hitting balls, you're actually working on something. You're working towards a goal. You can set it to different parameters. If you have a mistake in your swing or a fundamental position you're working on, the SkyPro allows you to improve. So your practice becomes really quality practice, and that's a big key to taking your game to the next level.
The bottom line is the SkyPro just got a whole lot better. Now what we have is we've got this putting app that's going to help you improve your putting. We've already showed you about how you can improve your full swing. We're going to help you improve the totality of your game.
The SkyPro Putting App is a great new thing from SkyPro because it allows you to now cut strokes off your putting game as well. And we all know that's where a lot of people lose a lot of strokes.
One of the best things about the SkyPro is the groove session. You can go into the app and you can work on being consistent in your swing or now in your putting stroke. So if you're a beginning golfer and you're wanting to understand the proper techniques, you go out there and you go, oh, I did 2 out of 10. I got the same stroke 2 times out of 10. Now the next time you go, now let's go for 3 out of 10. And I'm telling you, if you don't have this device with the new putting app, you are not the golfer that you can be.